explanation of the 8 parts of speech in English with examples in a way that's easy to remember and use. 1. Noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: person, teacher, Anas; place, school, Karachi; thing, book, pen; idea, happiness, courage. 2. Pronoun. A pronoun is used in place of a noun to avoid repetition. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Sentence: Ali is my friend. He is very kind. 3. Verb. A verb shows an action or a state of being. Examples: action, run, write, play, eat; state, is, am, are, seem; sentence, she runs fast. 4. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Examples: beautiful, tall, red, smart. Sentence is a beautiful flower. Adverb. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells how, when, where, or to what extent. Examples: quickly, very, yesterday, here. Sentences: she runs quickly. He is very tall. 6. Preposition. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun, pronoun, and another word in the sentence. Examples: in, on, at, by, under, above. Sentence: the book is on the table. 7. Conjunction. A conjunction joins words, phrases, or sentences. Examples: and, or so, because. Sentence: I like tea and coffee. 8. Interjection. An interjection shows sudden feeling or emotion. Examples: oh wow, hooray Allah. Sentence: oh, I forgot my homework. Summary table. Part of speech. Use example on noun. Name of person, place, thing, idea: Ali. School, book. Pronoun. Pronoun replaces a noun: he, she, it. Verb, action or state: run. Adjective describes a noun: beautiful, tall. Adverb describes verb, adjective, adverb: quickly, very. Preposition shows relation: in, under. Conjunction joins words or sentences: and, but, because. Interjection expresses feeling: oh, hooray. Nafla 1. A word is a single unit of language that has meaning. Example: book, run, happy, quickly. 2. Sentence. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Example: I'm going to school. Phrase. A phrase is a group of words that does not have a subject and a verb together. It does not express a complete thought. Example: on the table, a very tall building, running fast. 4. Clause. A clause is a group of words that has a subject and a verb. Independent clause can stand alone as a sentence. She is reading a book. Dependent clause cannot stand alone because she is tired. 5. Article. An article is a word used before a noun to define it as specific or unspecific. Types: a used with singular nouns, unspecific, a book; an used with singular nouns starting with a vowel sound, an apple; the used for specific nouns, the sun. Determiner. A determiner is a word placed before a noun to indicate possession or specificity. Examples: my, his, these, some, several. Sentence: this book is mine. 7. Quantifier. A quantifier shows amount or quantity. Examples: some, many, few, all, several, much. Sentences: I have many books. There is some water in the bottle. Quick summary table. Term definition. Example: word, single unit of language, book, happy. Sentence: complete thought: I'm happy. Phrase: group of words, no subject and verb, on the table. A group of words with subject and verb: she runs fast. Determiner. Before a noun shows possession or specificity: my, these, several. Quantifier shows quantity: some, many, few. If you want, I